what is a new idea? You might even call it the definition of genius. It's you see what everyone else sees, but you think what no one else has thought. But now you want to make sure, but add to that, maybe you are so diverse in what you expose yourself to that you see more than what other people see. And when you see more, you have the capacity to make connections that might not have previously been imagined, either by you or by anybody else. This is the value of cross-pollinating fields. It's why major discoveries can come in from the side in what is otherwise a very staid path of progress. So in a hospital, people say, well, how do you want to invest money in physics? That's so 20th century with the Cold War and the bombs. Let's invest in biology. That's the ticket, okay? So that makes sense, as a headline, but let's unpack that. Go walk into a hospital and line up every single machine brought into the service of diagnosing the condition of the human body without cutting you open. So you'd have the MRI or the X-ray machines. You'd have the ultrasound. There's no end of these machines that are in the service of the hospital, and MRI, admittedly, is the doctor's best friend, okay, in studying what's inside your body. To a machine, every single one of them is based on a principle of physics discovered by a physicist who had no interest in medicine.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Okay. Even the radiology department. The doctors are using radioactive elements. Were there doctors that discovered radio? No. They're physicists. There's chemists. There's Marie Curie. These are people who are not in the medical community. The X-ray machine, who discovered that? Wilhelm Röntgen. The very first Nobel Prize in physics went to him.
So by specifically concentrating on biology.
Now, he immediately saw the applications.
Yeah.
He there's a picture of the bones of his hand, but he's a physicist. He's not saying, let me help orthopedic surgeons set bones. This is not his motivation. So new ideas, especially new things that can transform society, tend to come from fields that, if they're not tangent to your field, they're just some other kind of way in. And so some of the greatest advances in my field came about because chemists were in the coffee lounge at the same time we were.